Hey everybody, this is Jacob, and way down here, a tornado has crossed across our property all the way. Wait till you see the big tree down here, and you know just how big it is, how strong it was. And I'm going to show you something that was pretty crazy to me. I don't know if it was to you or not, but we're going to show you something. By we, I mean me. But look at all this. It didn't hit down here as bad, but I tell you, it flooded this place. There's deer prints everywhere. There's deer prints
everywhere
down
Show them
here.
this one.
That right there is a big one.
A big old buck.
That's a little one.
That's a big one right there.
Yeah. We trying to get down here to it before our time's up. I don't know if y'all think this is bad or not, but you will when you see this big old tree over here. And I'm gonna show you something.
And it's
Pretty bad too. Surprised the crap out of me. The bigger trees are not down. The little trees are standing. If anybody knows, comment it. Please comment. Tell me why it does that.
And please subscribe.
And Mama is
Subscribe
just,
for our Mama and Papa.
yes, this is their land.
Our hunting land, basically.
Basically our hunting land. We hunt here.
Big bucks here. Everything's here.
We're just walking through basically, well, I'm not gonna say a swamp because there's people down in Florida. I mean, come on. And there's a swamp right over there somewhere. But we're walking through some stuff.
What was dry land?
What was dry land is now not.
There's a giant tree right there.
There's a little tree.
Little compared to what we're about to show y'all.
Yeah, a little compared to what we about to show you. And I'm going to show you. I already said this many times. But now, there he is. There he is. By he, I mean she, I guess. I don't know. I can't guess the tree's gender.
I mean, does it pee?
I don't know.
Pee out of the winter or, you know.
Hey, shut up.
There it is. Look, hunting tree.
Look,
Hunting tree.
this massive tree. And Mama is all upset. She's been crying since she's seen it. I want to show you. Now, the camera might not show how big this is, but I tell you, this thing pretty big. Now I want to show you something. It's not this. It rooted it. It didn't just knock it down. It rooted it. It just tore out the roots. This big old thing.
It's something I don't want to mess with. If it's not this out, I don't want to mess with it.
But right here, you see, we're not that far from the tree. Jeremiah, walk from here to that tree.
I'll count it out loud too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 yards. Where I set up this.
And this was just a little.
Do you see this little tree? You tell me. Big tree, knocked down. Little tree and lighter tree, Still up. Jeremiah, climb up in there and show them how it's done.
Nah.
What?
Nah.
Well, I guess you heard his answer. But there's just destroyed. And it hit up there by that big, by the shop down there. And it cut straight through. It cut straight through where that shop was, right beside it. Didn't even damage the shop. Just 10. What it is 10.
The whole thing's 10 in metal.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Didn't hit the house, didn't knock down. Messed all that up.
Messed the cars up.
Messed the cars up. Some of them. Now.
All this.
All this. Right here. Look at that other big tree over there.
Look at this. Big. Small.
Small. No, I ain't showing that. Another tree. Down. Straight right there down. Look at that big old tree.
Big old tree goes out. Big old tree.
I don't see how it does it.
Me either.
It's tornado. Twister.
Look.
I don't know what the name of it is, of the tornado.
But
It probably didn't even get named, to tell you the truth.
you get named 200 years old tree.
Yeah.
This is about 100 years old. I got a hot like a try.
Alright. Well, we gotta do a part 2 down there by the houses over there. We ain't gonna show you on this video because we're running out of time. And I gotta go find everybody else. So, peace. Dun 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 dun.